Move incognito mode in Google Chrome permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Chrome browser. So here I've already opened up a incognito tab, but as you log in or as you open up the incognito mode, you'll not be able to screen record. So I'm going to show you just like this. So tap on this icon over here and you'll be able to see different tabs over here. So these are all the normal tabs. Okay, these are the tabs that you have opened up while you were in the normal mode in Google Chrome. Now to look at incognito mode, you can tap on this icon incognito mode over here and you'll be able to see all your sites over here. Now to remove the incognito tab, all you have to do is just tap on this cross icon at the top of the tab, and then you'll be able to remove the incognito mode in Google Chrome as well. Here I'm showing in the normal mode because it won't be recorded in the incognito mode. So this will be the way to remove the incognito mode in Google Chrome. So thank you so much. See you next time.